Good day, class. Today, we will learn one of the most important skills in reading informational text, checking whether the information we see is true, reliable, and trustworthy. These skills protect us from fake news, misleading posts, biased articles, and unreliable sources online. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to analyze information using six standards: the credibility, accuracy, relevance, timeliness, objectivity, and coverage. Let's now start. What is veracity? Veracity means the truthfulness or reliability of information. So when we say we are checking the veracity of information, we are asking, is this information true? Can I trust it? Is it supported by facts and reliable sources? Before believing anything, especially online, we must evaluate it carefully using specific criteria, okay? So let's now move on to the criteria for evaluating information. First is the credibility of the author. Credibility refers to the author's qualifications, background, and expertise. To check credibility, we asked, who wrote this? Are they experts in the topic? Do they have the right training or background? For example, if the text is about health, a doctor or medical expert is credible. But if it's written by someone with no medical training, we should be cautious about it, okay? And now let's move on to the accuracy of information. Accuracy means information is correct, factual, and verifiable. We check accuracy by asking, are the facts correct? Can I confirm this using information? Can I confirm this information using other trusted sources? Accurate information usually includes data, statistics, dates, scientific evidence, or reliable documentations. Next one, or the third one, is relevance. Relevance means the information is connected to the topic or purpose. Even if the information is true, it is not useful if it is off topic. For example, if you are researching climate change, a website discussing movie celebrities are irrelevant, even if accurate. Relevant information supports the topic clearly and directly. Okay? And the fourth one is timeliness. Timeliness refers to how updated the information is. Information can change over time, correct? Specifically in science, technology, and current events. So in this time, we will ask, is this information recent? Is it still valid today? For example, a 2005 article about smartphones is outdated. We must check the publication date. Excuse me. And the next one, or the fourth one, or the fifth one, is objectivity. Objectivity means the information is fair, and fair, balanced, and not biased. Some text may exaggerate, persuade, or influence your emotion or our emotion. Objective information does not take sides. It presents facts without exaggeration. Emotional language or personal agendas. Always ask, is this information neutral or is it trying to manipulate me? Okay? So again, when you're going to check objectivity, you will ask, is this information neutral or is it trying to manipulate you? And next one is the coverage, or the last one is the coverage. Coverage refers to how complete and detailed the information is. So we are going to ask, does the text give enough details? Does it explain all important points? Is the information shallow or complete? Because good coverage means the content is clear, well organized, and gives you the full picture, not just bits and pieces. Okay? So we have here an example analysis. Experts say that eating vegetables daily can strengthen your immune system. According to the Department of Health, leafy greens contain essential vitamins. So let's apply the 6 criteria. Is it credible? Yes, it is, because it cites experts and DOH. Is it accurate? Yes, it is accurate, scientifically supported. Is it relevant? Is it? Yes, it is, because it fits the topic on health. And is it timely? Health information remains updated. How about the adjective? Yes or no? Is it? It is? Yes, because no emotional language. And lastly, the coverage. Was it short? Yes, short, but complete enough to deliver the idea. Okay, so again, let's have some recap. So veracity. Veracity means, again, the truthfulness or reliability of information. So again, we will be asking, is this information true? Can I trust it? Is it supported by facts and reliable sources? Again, before believing anything, especially online, we must evaluate it carefully using specific criteria. So, let's move on to the criteria for evaluating. We have again 6. The credibility, accuracy, relevance, timeliness, objectivity, and coverage. So, credibility of the author is or refers to the author's qualifications, background, and expertise. What are we going to ask is, who wrote this? Are they experts in topics? Do they have the right training or background? So again, for example, if the text is about health, a doctor or medical expert is credible. But if it is written by someone with no medical training, then we should be cautious about the text that we are reading. The next one, the accuracy of information. Accuracy again means the information is correct, factual, and verifiable. So we will be asking, are the facts correct? Can I confirm this information using other trusted sources? Because again, accurate information usually includes data, statistics, dates, scientific evidence, or reliable documents. The third one, relevance. It means the information is connected to the topic or purpose. So, even if the information is true, it is not useful if it is off the topic. So, for example, if you're researching climate change, a website discussing movie celebrities is irrelevant, even if it is accurate. Because always remember, relevant information supports the topic clearly and directly. And now the fourth one is timeliness. Refers to how updated information is. And you are going to ask, is this information recent? Is it still valid today? Because again, for example, a 2005 article about smartphones is outdated, and we must check the publication date. The fifth one is objectivity, means the information is fair, balanced, and not biased. So some texts may exaggerate, persuade, or influence our emotion. But we will always ask, is this information neutral or is it trying to manipulate me? And the last one is coverage, refers to how complete and detailed the information is. So we are to ask, does the text give enough details? Does it explain all important points? Is the information shallow or complete? Because again, good coverage means the content is clear, organized, and gives us the full picture, not just bits and pieces. Right. And for your activity, read each statement and evaluate the veracity by identifying which criterion is being violated or strengthened. Choose from credibility, accuracy, relevance, timeliness, objectivity, and coverage. So 1. A 2000 article claiming Nokia is the most advanced smartphone brand today. Number 2. A news post citing an unnamed source saying, some people say the vaccine is dangerous. Number 3. A blog about climate change that spends most paragraphs talking about the author's favorite movies. And number 4. A science article that provides data, charts, and explanations. And lastly, an advertisement describing a product as the most amazing magical cleaner ever created. You need to write your answer in your English notebook, and then we will discuss your answers as a class to deepen our understanding in our next meeting. And that would be all. That's all for today. Goodbye and thank you everyone.